top headlines for the day.
Salman Khan would not be hosting the Filmfare Award this year with Shah Rukh Khan, as was seen in the Starscreen Award function. So what makes Shah Rukh come for the Filmfare Award and not Salman? Were the two not a hit in Starscreen that makes the organizers of Filmfare opt for the television popular Kapil Sharma and the esteemed director Karan Johar? Yes, reports have it that it would be SRK, Kapil and Karan who would host the Filmfare Awards. Of course, the function would be a grand rolling super punch-filled hit, for when these three meet, sparks are bound to fly. So we are going to see Shah Rukh at his best perhaps, and the three sure would do great with this popularity quotient. So get set and zoom for the Filmfare Awards with this trio who are set to rock the stage. Yes, we would miss Salman, but maybe he has a surprise in store for us. What say?
Ritik, it's great that you've, tried to remove the tag of disability from blindness, but unfortunately, a tag of disability has come onto women with the recent case of molestation that happened in Bangalore. And this is what everybody is talking about. Have you read about it in the news? And what was your reaction when you heard about it? And how can we prevent it?
I wasn't here. I didn't see the news in real time. But yes, it is sad. We all bear a responsibility. And we all must do something about that. I feel very strongly as a father, as a member of this society, that if something like this is happening in an environment so close to me, then I definitely must be impacted, I must be affected, and I must do something about it.
The news of Saif Ali Khan's daughter making her debut in Bollywood opposite the ravishingly hot Hrithik Roshan left netizens and movie buffs in a tizzy. The grapevine was abuzz with the news that the two would be playing the lead pair for a film by Karan Johar. However, the bubble has burst and the truth has tumbled out. Hrithik Roshan has vehemently denied this news at a press conference. In fact, he went ahead and confirmed that he had no ventures in his kitty after Kabul. Shocking, isn't it? Meanwhile, though Sara is ready to face the limelight and make her mark on celluloid, it seems it will not be across the Greek god. So who will the debutant star with? Only time will tell. Till then, all we can do is wait and watch. If not Hrithik, then who do you think should be Sara's hero for her debut venture in B-Town? Post your thoughts in the comment section. The coffee couch from the Coffee with Karan 5 will be graced by the beautiful Jacqueline Fernandez and the dashing and dynamic actor Siddharth Malhotra. The episode, which will be aired soon, is a sure entertainer as the viewers will get to enjoy the two guests openly flirting with each other. The two were at their naughtiest best and will give the viewers the laugh of their life. A shocking revelation shows the stunning Jacqueline seductively telling Siddharth that she wants to give him babies. Wow, now that's something quite surprising, isn't it? The two have also admitted that they had shared a kiss. We wonder what Alia Bhatt has to say about Jackie's confession. Host Karan is one not to let go of a chance to dig into the juicy details of his guests' lives. We'll have a field day indeed. So what do you think of Jacqueline giving Siddharth babies? Let us know in the comment section. The Coffee with Karan 5 episode, where Jacqueline Fernandez and Siddharth Malhotra share the coffee couch, is surely going to be filled with spice and slays. The two guests seem to be perfectly in sync as they came bare about their emotions and experiences. In fact, the highlight of the episode was one when Sid asked Jack to beat his booty, and the sassy actress willingly went ahead and did so, much to the chagrin of host Karan, who then took a tongue-in-cheek at the two by reminding them of a recent time when Jackie was trying to sneak out of Sid's house, avoiding the prying eyes of the paparazzi. To which Siddharth tried to clear the air, saying it was for readings, but Jackie's naughty grin was screaming that there was more to it than meets the eye. Exciting, isn't it? Tell us what you think of this super funky relationship between Jacqueline and Siddharth by commenting below. Tube Light, shot in various locations including Manali, is an upcoming venture by filmmaker Kabir Khan and tells the tale of a cross-border love story set against the backdrop of the Indo-Chinese War of 1962. Recently, there were rumors that the main lead Salman Khan was not too happy with the manner in which the climax of the film was shot, and hence he asked Kabir Khan to recreate Manali in Mumbai and reshoot the sequence. This has led to a lot of dispute between the two, but now it seems that everything has been well sorted out and the shoot took place at the film city. Here we give you a sneak peek at the set of the film at our very own film city. Convincing, isn't it? Tell us what you think in the comment section and keep watching this space for more news and updates on Tube Light. The Being in Touch app is a delight for all the die-hard fans of Salman Khan who are eager to get a glimpse into the life of their hero. Recently, the team had posted a teaser of a special video where the Dabangg star was seen talking about food and how it had a special connection to his childhood. In a nostalgic mood, Salman revealed the memories which were attached to food. For him, food is synonymous to mother. He said, whenever there is mention of food, then mom is the best chef, cook, bawarchi ever on planet Earth. The video shows the superstar's human side and how he is emotionally connected to his mother and his childhood. The snippet is potent with emotion and makes one pinning to hear what more the star speaks about his childhood. To see the entire video, one needs to download Being in Touch app. Well, I'm surely going to do so. Are you? Superstar Salman Khan's life is a mystery and enigma for many of his fans, and they are eager to lap up each and every bit of information and picture available which gives them glimpses into the life of their dear Chulbul Pandey. So especially for all such die-hard Sallu fans, we present to you an unseen photograph from the superstar's childhood. The image is a pure treat for all the fans and is a true visual delight. The picture, which was shared by the Being in Touch app, is a class photograph which shows the superstar as a young boy. It is hard to imagine the resemblance, but on closely watching, you will see glimpses of a star in the making. From posing consciously for a class photograph to his present-day photo shoots which make everyone crazy, Salman has surely come a long way. Don't you think so? Let us know in the comments section. The recently shot episode of the Kapil Sharma show will be truly magical as it has on its guest list two wonderful artists. The first is the very talented singer turned composer and director Himesh Reshammiya, who has taken the industry by storm with his nasal voice. The other guest is someone very special. The Romanian beauty Iulia Vantur, who is rumoured to be Salman Khan's latest love interest. On the professional front, Iulia and Himesh have sung a duet every night and day for his upcoming album Aap Se Mausiki, and she seems to have impressed the multi-talented artist with her singing proofs and knowledge of recording. The two recently graced the Kapil Sharma show to promote their album and were seen indulging in some great antics with the entire team. The two also happily posed with the entire cast and crew and were seen having a blast on the sets. The special episode holds a lot of promise and is sure to be an out-and-out entertainer. Iulia has all the elements it takes to make it big in the music industry, and we are sure that she will win big time. Don't you think so? Aamir Khan's Dangal recreated magic at the box office, and his role as Mahavir Bhogat seemed realistic and commendable. The perfectionist had no qualms whatsoever, playing father to grown-up daughters. And now it seems that yet another Khan is playing to follow suit. This time it's Salman Khan who is planning to essay an unconventional role as father to a 13-year-old girl. Speaking about it to a leading daily, the Kickstar said, "I played a father in Jab Pyar Kisi Se Hota Hai when I was in my 30s. I have been there and done that. And in my next film, I am playing the father to a 13-year-old girl. In the same breath, he also admitted that he couldn't imagine himself playing character roles, quoting instances of Sylvester Stallone, who has not aged even at 71. So what do you think of Athiya Salman Khan playing father to a teenaged girl? Let us know in the comment section and keep watching this space for more updates on this hot